Whoa. Okay. This is my iconic moment when I think it was just, I walked and I said it was too dark, and I said that I was making my way back to KFC. I'm right there. Well, that's a nice photo to have up on your wall. It's actually pretty warm in here, so don't know. And I don't think it's this room. So it went to 3 when we went over there. You guys remember what happened the last time? You guys know what happened the last time we played demonology, right? No. It's like the hottest room. I do not want to go down there one bit. No thanks. Yeah, it was only going on. What did I say? What did I literally just say? I literally said... It's in the garage. It's 3 in here. So it's in here. It's in here. It's still going. What in the Mickey Mouse Clubhouse Neverland is that? Well, freezing temps. It's below freezing. Okay, so there's freezing. I'm actually so scared right now, guys, because I'm alone. I'm alone. Yeah, it's like really cold in here. So it's in here. Okay. What in the Neverland was that? Oh. What was that? It does not like me. It broke a window. Oh. Whoever this is, it does not like me. I heard a trick if you put show yourself in here, it will show itself on this. I think it's in here because this is the only place that it kept going off in, plus the kitchen. No Thank you. No, thank you. No, thank you. I'm going to go back to my mom's house. Oh my gosh. Well, we do know it's freezing temps. The highest it's gone up to is 4 or 5. I don't know. Guys, I don't know if I want to go in this corner. I do not like this. Why did I decide to do this alone? Why didn't I drag around one of my friends? Why didn't I bring Kenny? Or my other friend that I played demonology with? Why did I decide to do this alone? I need to go back inside the house though. Okay, I do not think it's in the garage anymore. Yeah. But I think it's here. How has it gone up to 4? It stopped. It stopped. It can't be me who's doing this. Oh my gosh. It's not just me, right? Are you guys seeing this? I don't know. This could be so many. Whatever. I do not think we need this anymore. Hey, Mr. Ghost Guy, girl, I don't know. Can you please just tell me who you are? Are you guys here? So I can go home. You like breaking windows, I see. Did I just move? It's moving. It's moving. It's moving. It's moving. No, because I literally should have brought my friend with me. I'm looking on this camera. I think it's in this room. Guys, it's not showing up. Guys, should I just take like a wild guess? Cause I don't know. We're not getting enough information. It's not showing, I don't see, is it supposed to be the thing that you find orbs? Any orbs? Guys, I don't know. We're not getting enough information. Guys, I'm scared to go into this house. I don't like this, guys. I'm not getting enough information. It's moving. All of these lights. So I can see what they use. I don't know. I'm just gonna go with the wild guess, guys. Peace out, guys. See ya.